Assalamualaikum, my name is Engineer Numan and this is X-ray room, and today we are installing X-ray machine, and this is a very important topic and important to know for those students who are just starting in this field. Come on. Here is the generator of this Hitachi machine, and it's a 50 kVA generator, and this generator will give the power to anode and cathode. These two wires, please come. These two powers are, one is an anode and other is cathode, and this is for the rotating anode. Okay, this generator will help to give the high voltage DC current to the tube to generate X-rays. Okay, now you can see these three powers are going in this tube, and here you can see
the connections.
Here you can see this is anode because the positive sign on this side, and this is cathode. You can see if you come ahead, this is the focal spot. Okay, what is focal spot? Focal spot is on a 45-degree angle from cathode to anode when X-ray emits. Here is the window. X-rays hit on this focal spot, and then they will useful X-rays become in this collimator, and here you can see. Let me unlock this. Yes, now I'm going to unlock, and here you can see. This is collimator. Please come here. Come on front. No. This is collimator. Here you can set how much area you want to expose to the patient area. Yeah, with these nuts you can free and lock this tube. And you can see this is the floor mounted X-ray machine, and yes, this is DR for X-ray, and just for chest hand. Here you can see here you can put DR, and this is a grid which remove the scattered X-rays, and this is the console of X-ray machine. Here before the starting the exam you can set kVAs, how much kVA you want to give to the tube. Here from this you can select. This machine has a maximum 500 mA, okay, and 163 kVA. 163 kVA equal to 500 mA, but this is very rare chances to set 500 mA and to set 163 kVA. But this is the console, and from here you can set kVA, here you can set mA, and here you can set time of exposure. And there are two methods to expose. From here you can ready and X-ray emits, ready and scan, and also you can do the same phenomena from this button, ready, expose, exposure switch. It's okay. Goodbye. See you in next video.